If you suffer from diabetes, heart disease or joint pain, you should try this wonderful fruit. Tamarind is a type of tropical fruit. It's used in many dishes around the world, and may even have medicinal properties. This video tells you everything you need to know about tamarind, including what it is, how it benefits health and how to use it. What is tamarind? Tamarind is a hardwood tree known scientifically as Tamarindus indica. It's native to Africa but also grows in India, Pakistan and many other tropical regions. The tree produces bean-like pods filled with seeds surrounded by a fibrous pulp. The pulp of the young fruit is green and sour. As it ripens, the juicy pulp becomes paste-like and more sweet-sour. Interestingly, tamarind is sometimes referred to as the date of India. How is it used? This fruit has many uses. It's used for cooking, health and household purposes. Cooking uses. Tamarind pulp is widely used for cooking in South and Southeast Asia, Mexico, the Middle East and the Caribbean. The seeds and leaves are also edible. It is used in sauces, marinades, chutneys, drinks and desserts. It's also one of the ingredients of Worcestershire sauce. Medicinal uses. Tamarind has played an important role in traditional medicine. In beverage form, it was commonly used to treat diarrhea, constipation, fever and peptic ulcers. The bark and leaves were also used to promote wound healing. Modern researchers are now studying this plant for potential medicinal uses. The polyphenols in tamarind have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These can protect against diseases such as heart disease, cancer and diabetes. The seed extract may also help lower blood sugar, while the pulp extract may help you lose body weight and reverse fatty liver disease. Home uses. Tamarind pulp can also be used as a metal polish. It contains tartaric acid, which helps remove tarnish from copper and bronze. It is high in nutrients. Tamarind contains vitamins, minerals, amino acids and beneficial plant compounds. It also has a lot of sugar. Different forms of tamarind. Pure tamarind comes in three main forms: raw pods, pressed blocks and concentrate. It's also available as candy and syrup. In this video, we will talk about the 11 amazing benefits of tamarind that will help improve your health in many wonderful ways. 1. Tamarind is known to aid in weight loss by actually suppressing your appetite so that you don't snack on those fries whenever you are bored. 2. By including the vitamin C-rich tamarind in your diet, you not only delight your taste buds but also protect your skin from premature aging. 3. The antioxidants in tamarind also help keep away infections by strengthening your immune system and ensuring a long-term health. 4. Tamarind is rich in fiber, which stimulates the release of gastric juices and aids in regular digestion. 5. The fiber content of tamarind has been known to lower LDL or bad cholesterol levels, thereby keeping your heart healthy. 6. If you are suffering from the symptoms of anemia, tamarind can actually help. It provides almost 10% of your daily requirement of iron in a single serving. 7. Adding tamarind to your daily diet can help in regulating blood glucose levels as well. 8. Tamarind pulp contains plant compounds that may protect against heart disease and oxidative damage. 9. Tamarind contains a good amount of magnesium, an important mineral that plays a role in over 600 functions in the body. 10. Several studies show that tamarind can combat many different microbes. It may help kill bacteria, viruses, fungi and parasites. 11. Tamarind candy may contain unsafe amounts of lead. For that reason, children and pregnant women should avoid it. Note: if you are taking any medications, make sure to consult your doctor before eating tamarind as it can interact with certain medicines.